Okay, so here we have a 2014 Australia Kookaburra. It's a nice coin. Coin's flawless, but when you start looking, coin looks all scratched up. See all that? That's actually the casing, the slab, whatever you'd like to call it. And there's a big one in there. So then when you flip it over, this side I believe is even worse. So we'll go up. I mean, look at all that. You can see it in the, yeah, that's horrible right there. Look at that. And then look at the center of this. Jeez. I mean, that's just, look like old Queen got slashed up. So, other than sending it in and getting it reslabbed, which costs you a nice little bit of money, I'm gonna do a little something here at home to see if I can make any improvement to this, and we'll see if I can catch it on video. It may not work, but hey, if it does, then I will post it up. So I'll be back with the second part of this.